Ever noticed almost every airplane is white? There's actually a fascinating reason behind it. It's not just about looks. That white paint reflects sunlight, which helps keep the plane cooler during those hot days. Plus, it makes it way easier to spot any cracks or damage that might pop up. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's smart engineering. By using white, airlines save millions on maintenance and fuel costs over time. So next time you're flying high above the clouds, remember, white isn't just a color choice, it's pure science at work.